Look over there. Two people are busy on their way to somewhere. They are James and John. James and John are also the disciples of Jesus. What's that? You think the two men look alike? You have good eyes. You're right. James and John are brothers. James is John's elder brother. Jesus called James and John as the sons of Boanerges. Boanerges means thunder. You know the rumbling and booming sound of thunder. You wonder why Jesus called James and John as the sons of thunder? Luke 9 tells us why. In Luke 9, Jesus and his disciples are heading toward Jerusalem. Before setting out to Jerusalem, Jesus sent James and John to a town. It is perhaps to let them secure a place to rest. But what? Hold on. This is where Samaritans are living. This is bad. Samaritans and Jews hate each other. Look over there. The minute they see James and John, they slam the door. That's really not nice. But James and John wouldn't just stand still, would they? Angry, James and John run to Jesus, huffing and puffing. Being furious, they are rumbling and booming. Lord, please call the fire down from heaven like Elijah did. Then destroy all the Samaritans living in that town. What do you think? Aren't they venting their anger like a rumble of thunder? That is how James and John depicted in Luke 9. But that's just the past. They are completely transformed. Transformed how? Don't be surprised. James and John are changed like this. What do you say? Don't they look really lovely with their warm smile? You ask how that's possible? That's true. It's impossible for human beings. Then how would James and John become completely different people? That's because James and John are the disciples of Jesus. The disciples of Jesus who've met Jesus. Meeting Jesus can change you completely. Just like the sons of thunder have changed to the sons of love, singing the serenade of love for other people. Pardon? You're very envious of James and John who are born again? Don't be. We can also be transformed nicely like James and John. It's simple to be transformed. By the power of Jesus, by the strength of Jesus. That's all you need to remember. Then, shall we do it together? By the power of Jesus, by the strength of Jesus, transform!